Howdy, my name is Andrea Ramirez, and today I will be, teaching y'all about mnemonics. And you might be wondering, what is a mnemonic? Well, a mnemonic is a memory aid. It allows you to remember information more easily, like PEMDAS, or Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, which is a way for you to remember your order of operations. That's a really common mnemonic, and I'm going to be teaching y'all a mnemonic for remembering my name. So, my last name is Ramirez, and sometimes you will see me in the halls probably, or around campus, walking with my head, down, almost like a ram. A ram like a sheep. And that is really close to my last name, which is Ramirez. So if you see me in the halls with my head down, you might think of a ram about to headbutt. And then once you think of ram, you can remember that my last name is Ramirez. That's a little mnemonic you can use to remember my last name. And a mnemonic to remember my first name, which is Andrea, you would probably have to think about music or maybe even headphones. Of course, I'm not walking around with Beats by Dre, but you might see me around wearing earbuds. And although I won't be wearing Beats by Dre, you can remember that from my name, Andrea. So, to remember my first name, you can think about music or headphones, especially Beats by Dre, and then you can remember that my name is Andrea. So that is another mnemonic you can use to remember my name. I hope this little video was helpful, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye!